picking up some parts for our Skylane and then taking a trip out to Galion, Ohio.
66 Victor, safe parking.
I'll be parking at Steiner for 66 Victor.
For 66 Victor, roger. Continue down the runway, turn left at Charlie, and you can taxi to Steiner via Echo. You can stay with me.
Left on Charlie, taxi to Steiner via Echo. We'll stay with you. 66 Victor.
Okay, directional gyro is set, 10 degrees of flaps, car beats off, let's go. Full power is in, making full power.
Nice job there, Skyline. Welcome to Oshkosh. Good to have you.
Welcome to Ocean City, Maryland.
Location check for 484, and we'd like to pick up our IFR to Lima Bravo Echo.
And now we should see the runway and our right downwind for 27.
Cessna 733 flight, no traffic observed between you and the Carroll County Airport. Squawk VFR, change to about your frequency approved. Good day.
Skypark traffic, Skyline 901-484, departing runway 3, and we'll be departing the pattern to the southeast. Skypark.
666 Victor, Akron Canton Tower, runway 23, fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 23, fly runway heading 66 Victor. DJ set, no flaps, car beats off.
Alright, departures on standby.
Okay, trim set for takeoff, lights set. Two, three verified.
2-3 verified.
And let's go ahead and do a soft fuel takeoff.
Making full power.
Making full power, engaged there in the green. Hold there, and under accelerating ground effect. And we're off.
Well done. That was perfect.
I think. Why, you're welcome.
Making full power.
Yep.
Oil pressure stop at the green.
Thank you. This thing does climb.
Sure does.
1,200 feet a minute.
Cessna 66 Victor, contact departure, good day.
Over departure, thanks, 66 Victor.
010 up to 3,500, 118 kill 0.
Back for departure, 1666 Victor, climbing out of Akron Canton at 2,200, and we're heading out 230.
November 1666 Victor, Akron Canton departure, radar contact, turn right on course, base is reported to about 3,800 with negative icing.
We're on course and roger that, 66 Victor, thanks.
As I said earlier, we
And,
needed to pick up some parts for our Skyline at Akron Canton Regional Airport, so we rented a 172 and headed out there. Afterwards, my dad and I decided to take a trip out to Galion, Ohio, since the weather was so nice. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
We previously just stopped at Akron Canton to pick up some parts for our airplane.
Gorgeous view. Look at that. Sun busting through the clouds.
Beautiful. And then now we are going to Galion from Akron Canton to go get to make it across country, and then we're going to be back to Skypark. So we figured we'd bring you guys along for the
Charlie Golf Delta November X-ray, Akron Canton.
to Galion Lake. And yeah, so enjoy the ride. Should be pretty smooth. We got some cloud bases at 3,800. We're currently at 3,000, so should be a good flight.
Can approach Cessna 115 kilos here, about GPS 19. Okay.
Oh my God, a buddy of mine in Greece is watching right now.
Here, Roger.
Hey.
On this flight, we also did some live streaming on Instagram, so if you want to watch these, be sure to follow us on Instagram. The link is in the description.
Number 118 Kilo Sierra, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles southeast on altitude, Cape 3,100.
Insight 118 Kilo Sierra.
Number 1666 Victor, contact Mansfield approach 124.2.
Switch in 124.2, thanks for your help. 66 Victor.
Number 444, traffic left.
Good afternoon, Mansfield approach, November 1666 Victor, level 3000.
November 1666 Victor, Mansfield approach, Mansfield commander 3040.
3040.
Number 66 Victor, Galion Airport, 12 o'clock, 11 miles, when able to report the field in sight.
We'll report the field in sight, 66 Victor.
Skull 62, 6 miles from the final approach, fixed turn left heading at 350, maintain 3000 until established, cleared ILS, runway 32 approach. 350, 3000 until established, cleared ILS, runway 32 approach, Skull 62.
He's down here somewhere.
Well, it just sounded like an airplane went zooming. Did you hear that?
Yeah, no, he's doing ILS.
I know.
Yeah, he's doing ILS 32. He's out there about 5-6 miles yet.
That plane that we were looking for out the window was actually a C-130 that was going into Mansfield.
Galion straight ahead?
It should be.
November 714 Echo Romeo, C type aircraft.
Cessna 150 for 714 Echo Romeo.
Thank you.
Told you.
Steel mill down here. You got the field?
No, do you?
Nope, I haven't been looking, no. Oh, it's close. About 8 miles. So you're gonna do an upwind for 2-3?
Yep.
Bus will monitor.
November 66 Victor, effective frequency change in 3 miles.
We'll expect that 3 miles, thanks, 66 Victor.
That's 6 miles east, inbound 18 with Johnny. November 66 Victor, exiting Class Delta airspace to the west. Radar service terminated. Frequency change approved, squawk 1200.
Frequency change approved, squawk VFR, thanks for your help, 66 Victor.
Good day.
Galion traffic, 66 Victor is about 5 to the northeast. We'll be entering on an upwind for runway 23, Galion. Every time, make sure set feels so comfortable as thanks you both says. Go ahead and turn our nav lights on for effect here.
I think I've been here before, but I don't...
You have, you dropped Larry off.
Oh, that's right. Oh, I came in here with the Skylane, eh?
Got it.
Okay.
Galion traffic, 66 Victor is upwind runway 23, Galion. Have a little bit of a right crosswind. Galion traffic, 66 Victor, turning left crossing over the numbers runway 23, Galion.
5 Bravo call. About 1.5 mile final, 18 with Kenny.
set mixture set to certain output was thanks to both fast and heading check was complete. Downwind looks clear. Thank you.
Oh wow, I got a really good shot of the runway.
Galion traffic 66 Victor turning left downwind 23 Galion.
Wood County traffic, Aero 76, Bravo Golf, turn left base 18 Wood County.
Wood County traffic, Archer 3990 Mike Alpha, 5 miles north. Good place.
Yeah, Wood County traffic, Aero 786, Bravo Golf, we're about a 2-mile final for 1-8%.
Can you repeat that, our TTS is tolerance?
Yeah, we're about a 2-mile final for 1-8%.
Galion traffic 66 Victor turning left base 23 Galion. The final is clear. Thank you.
Wood County traffic, please, Bravo Golf, crosswind 18 Wood County.
Galion traffic 66 Victor turning final 23 Galion.
Wood County traffic, quick 6 Bravo Golf, downwind 18 Wood County.
Boy, those flaps are crazy.
Hey Rebecca, we got you in sight. We're going to follow behind you for number 2.
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Thank you. That's quite the win with 40 degrees of flaps.
It sure was.
Hope you enjoyed that short hop from Akron Canton to Galion. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. You can also follow us on all of our social media. Those links are down below in the description. And until next time, happy flying from Aviation for Life.